Today, the confirmation of our yibo with racing car is coming. Isuzu yibo update. Isuzu's exclusive racing driver. Our yibo is about to challenge the trucks again on March 28 to 29 at Ningbo International Circuit. Watch Isuzu's exclusive. Full tank and return to our yibo's first race in Shanghai. So GTC changing their official account's name also related to this racing. Two articles of our yibo from 51 GTC, the #1 motorsport website in Asia Pacific, also published to confirm that our yibo is attending. In order, tickets sale for 2025 Touring Car Endurance Race GTC Season Warms Up and Links and Co Cup will start at 20. On March 23, 2025, the deadline for ticket refunds is 20 on March 25, 2025, and the hotel next to the red tracks is fully booked. We can imagine a green ocean be happening.